How to block someone on Snapchat in the year 2022. There are two ways of doing this, so just follow this tutorial carefully and I will show you both ways. So when we first open up Snapchat, we're going to be faced with a camera. From here, we want to click on the message button, which is the second one right here. And we want to select the person that we want to block. Now, the first method of doing this is by simply pressing on the person's icon and holding. From here, these options are going to show up and we want to click on the very first one, which says Manage Friendship. As you can see, you are given three other options here, or four actually. You can remove the friend, you can block them, you can report, and you can edit their name. For this, we need the block option. So all you do is just press on it and the person will be blocked. The other way of how you can do this, as you can see right here, some of them you will have an X next to their name. So all you have to do is click on the X sign, and as you can see, you are given two options, either to report or block. So that is the second way of how you can block somebody. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Take care.